What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2023 Ford Expedition. So the first thing we're going to do is go inside the vehicle and take a look at how to turn the remote start on or off, and also how to adjust the duration that the remote start will run. So taking a look at our center screen, the first thing I'm going to do is come down on the bottom here and click Settings. Then from here I'm going to press Vehicle. Then I'm going to scroll down until we get to Remote Start Setup and click on that. And this is where you'll be able to turn it either on or off. It's already on. That will turn it off. Turn it back on. And here you can adjust the climate settings. And then down here under Duration is where you can adjust the duration. So once we know the Remote Start feature is on and you have your duration set to where you want it, we can go ahead and use the remote start. So taking a look at our key fob, this button that's almost a full circle and has the 2X, that's the remote start button. So in order to use the remote start, we're going to lock the vehicle and then immediately press that button twice quickly. And the Expedition will respond by flashing its lights and then starting. And then in order to drive the Expedition, what we'll need to do is get in, and then just press the stop start button. And now you're ready to drive as normal. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.